Hello. So this is what we need to do. So this is a flat box. This is yarn. These are the stickers. So what we need to do is to assemble the box like this. Like this. This is an assembled box. Put the yarn into the box like this. Put a sticker into it. Close the box. It has a sticky adhesive stripe over here. We close the box. We put a sticker on it right here at the top like this. And we put a sticker label with a yarn ID, with the product information over here. So this is a ready packed box we need. So once we pack all 5,000 boxes, we will need to put all these small boxes into large boxes and ship it into the US. Thank you.